Hi, friends! Look at these vehicles! Oops! What's going on? All the colors are gone. Let's paint them back. Whoa, that's a big machine. I think we'd better start with this color, red. This machine works hard, all day long. It's a farmer's helper who loves dirt and fields. It has big engine, big power, and big fun. Have you ever seen this machine before? Looks like it's almost ready to work, doesn't it? But we need more colors. Black! Black goes to these giant wheels. They are never afraid to go splish-splash through the mud. Big tires help this machine pull heavy loads. These tires never get tired. Light blue. We'll paint the windows light blue so the driver can see the fields. Perfect and shiny. Can you name this machine? That's right, it's a tractor. Let's find where the tractor belongs. Nope, wrong spot. Not that one either. Yes, that's the right spot. Well done. Whoa, this vehicle loves the water. Dark blue. It's the color of the deep sea. This one here sails across big waves and tiny ripples. It can carry cars, toys, and food. Did you know that? Sailing smooth, huh? Light blue. You can peek out and say hello to the fish from these cute windows. And next color is red. That's right. This transport really needs bright colors to stay visible at sea. And red at the bottom helps protect it from barnacles. It's almost ready for an adventure. Okay, let's say this transport together. Ship. Which spot is right for the ship? Not there. Try again. That's the one. Ahoy! Let's keep going. Yellow. This yellow machine scoops up the dirt and digs deep in the ground. It has a bendy arm and a bucket. Isn't that cool? This helper builds roads and playgrounds. Black. This color is perfect for the tough wheels. These rollers help this car move on bumpy ground. Gray. Let's add a little gray in this space. Light blue. To keep an eye on the digging, we need this window clear. We call this cool machine excavator. Where should we park it? Here? Nope. Not here either. Yes, it fits. Whoa, this one has spinning blades on top. Red! This transport flies straight up. It can even fly backward and sideways. How cool is that? It zooms around and over mountains and cities, you know, to keep an eye on everything. Light blue! It's for shiny windows, for looking down below. Black! These skids help you land safe and sound. Ready to say this transport's name? Helicopter. Time to find helicopter's home. Not that one. Oops! Try again. Bingo! It's home now! Next is another big and strong machine. Blue! This car helps build roads and move heavy loads. See? It has a giant box on its back. Let's paint it. Dark blue. This box can carry rocks, sand, and dirt. Can you imagine? And the vehicle can lift its box to pour out what it carries. Watch out! It's ready to spill the dirt out. Ha ha! Moving on to the next color. Orange. This color is for the cab. That's where the driver sits and steers the vehicle. The cab also protects the driver from dust and dirt. Beep, beep. Let's roll on those wheels. Brown. What is this car carrying today? Dirt, sand, or rocks? Yeah, that looks like dirt. Gray. It's for the strong parts below, holding it all up. Black. Rumble, rumble over rocky roads. These tires can handle anything. Ready for bumpy rides? Light blue. A splash of light blue for the windows, clean and shiny. Here it is, the dump truck. Let's find where this heavy helper belongs. Not there. Aha! The dump truck found its place. Next, something that flies through the sky. And the first color for it is purple. Dip in purple and swirl around the body. This transport helps people travel to faraway places. It flies high above mountains and clouds. The spinning blades spin super fast. They help push this vehicle to move forward. Let's add some orange to the blades and wings. This transport doesn't use parking spots. They park in a giant garage called hangars. They rest and get cleaned and repaired in hangars. For the window, we need light blue. We can peek out to see the view through the window from up high. Black. The wheels touch down softly on the runway when it lands. This transport is airplane. Up, up, and away. Then it lands. Not here. That's where our airplane lands. Ah, this one looks like something that goes vroom. Pink. Let's color the body nice and bright. People travel to school, parks, and stores with this transport. It sometimes can go super fast, but it has to go slowly whenever near the school. Purple. This color is for the bumpers. Bumpers keep this transport safe if they accidentally bump something. Wow, it's shining already. Black. That's for the wheels that spin and help this pretty vehicle go fast. Light blue. Let's make it look like a happy little machine with light blue on the window. Okay, it's ready to drive home. Car! Our car found its perfect spot. Beep, beep. Great job, friends. See you next time.